In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use timeline in ClickUp. We'll start right inside ClickUp in your list view. This is the view where you normally see your tasks in a simple list format, grouped by status or other fields. Make sure you're in the correct space, folder, and list for the project you want to plan, because the timeline you're about to open will be based on the tasks in this list. At the top of your list view, look for the option labeled View. This is where ClickUp lets you switch between different ways of seeing the same set of tasks. Go ahead and click on View. A panel or drop-down will appear, showing you the available layouts for this list. From that menu, choose Timeline to open the timeline view. As soon as you click it, ClickUp will switch from the list format to a calendar-style layout that runs horizontally across your screen. This is your project's timeline. In this timeline view, your tasks are displayed as bars laid out over dates. Each bar represents a single task scheduled over a specific period of time. The position of the bar shows when the task starts and when it ends, so at a glance you can see the length and placement of each task on the calendar. You'll notice that the start date is where the bar begins and the end date is where it finishes. This makes it much easier to understand your schedule than scanning through dates in a table. You can quickly spot gaps, crunch periods, and how tasks relate to one another over time. If you need to reschedule something, it's very interactive. Click on a taskbar, hold, and drag it left or right to move it to different dates. When you release it, the task's dates are updated automatically. This is especially handy when priorities change or when you need to quickly rebalance workload. You can also adjust how long a task takes. Hover over either end of the bar until you see a resize handle, then drag the edge to extend or shorten its duration. This will change the end date or the start date, depending on which side you move. Use the timeline to easily spot overlapping tasks and key deadlines. This helps you see where team members might be overloaded or where important milestones are stacked too closely together. At the top, click on Highlight to bring focus to specific information, such as certain statuses or assignees, depending on your configuration. Next to that, click on Weeks to open the time period drop-down. From here, you can switch between viewing days, weeks, or months, depending on how detailed you need your view to be. Overall, use this timeline view to visually plan your project schedules, manage deadlines, and track progress across all your tasks. And finally, if you want to customize what you see, click the settings icon next to the Add Task button. Here you can fine-tune how your timeline looks and behaves, so it